All right, bump steer. What is it? It's when you're driving your car or truck at a pretty good clip of speed and you hit a large bump and suddenly it feels unsafe. Like maybe you hear a tire howl or what the hell was that? That's bump steer. So my Nova, pretty low car there. It had it pretty good on the freeway. I'd be going about 85 and hit a big bump, and the front tires, I'd hear a rip, and it's like that's not cool. Car would kind of skip all over the place and feel uneven. So found it pretty important to fix that. So I started rebuilding the front end, and it still did it. I've got a couple of videos where the car goes up on the jack and the tires move all over the place when you lower it down. So check it out. This is what I found out. I got a bump steer kit, so if you've ever been curious what they are, this is a good video to watch. So enjoy. Thank you. Subscribe. Here's a little example of bump steer. Okay, so what I've read about with bump steer is that your tie rod is no longer parallel with the lower control arm on your lowered car. So, so what this kit does is there's different levels of spacers here, so it can bring this down a little bit to bits more parallel, and it'll prevent the wheel from doing that. So this is a little some parts that I found online. It's a bump steer kit, and so we're gonna check this out and see if that solves the problem. All right, so unfortunately, I just went and replaced all these parts, thinking maybe the bump steer was just caused by loose or worn parts, like it says in the internet or your owner's manual. So I'm gonna put this kit on. Hopefully this will be easy to take apart since these are all new. Put the kit on, and we'll see if it moves less. I think there's a couple adjusting points in the kit with these little, I don't know, what do we call these things? Shims, I guess, circular shims. What this does is this lowers, take these off, so this thing will lower the these little control arms, I think is what you call them here, or tie rods, maybe that's it. I'm blanking right now. So anyway, I'm gonna go for gold since this is on my Nova here, and it's pretty low. So I'm gonna go to the lowest setting. I'm gonna stack all these things, you know, and lower this arm quite a bit, as much as I can. I'm gonna start with that point and see if I can correct this issue. Let's see if this helps. I had to cut both ends. The threads only go so far in, so maybe 3/8 each side. Maybe on this longer side, the inner, you might be able to cut a little more, but I did about 3/8 on all four ends, and hopefully that fixes the issue here with the toe in. Okay, here it is. It's all done. I'm gonna move the car up and down. It does still move a little bit, but I think as it goes down towards the ground, it's more parallel with the bar. It doesn't move nearly as much. So that's my video. I hope you enjoy it. And if you've got a bump steer problem, you definitely know it. It can be scary at times. So just help me. Thank you.